good, YouTube? Today, I'm getting ready to hop on my bike and meet my friend, Morgan. And then we're gonna go to the mall. And I'm gonna try to find some hoodies to ride in because the weather is here. That good weather's coming in. So I wanna find something cool to ride in. Like sweatshirts and hoodies, stuff like that. So shout out to Boulder Skins for the jacket, of course. But yeah, so we getting ready to hop on this bike. Shout out to y'all. Let's go to the mall. Let's see what we can find. Let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Boom, and we got the new Jordan 4 taupes on today. Little gold accents. What we got? Nothing much. Just a little sporty drip. And while we're in, if you saw last week's video, then you know I just got this new luggage rack. So we might as well go and throw this on the back while we're at it, all right? So let's go install this on the motorcycle. All right, let's go. Okay, before we install this new luggage rack, I have to head downtown and get my eyebrows arched. I forgot I had an appointment. Then I'm gonna meet up with Morgan. We're gonna slide to the mall, and then I'll head back home so you can see me install the new Suicide Choppers luggage rack on my 2019 Harley Davidson Road Glide. So we're in St. Louis downtown, a beautiful city. I'm getting ready to find me a parking spot. But as I'm doing this, I want you to kind of look at the ground. The ground is very, very bad. It's like holes and cracks and a lot of rocks and gravel everywhere. So as I'm pulling up, I'm like, whoa. I'm kind of looking around. And when this happens, you need to just take your time and slow down. It's okay to put your feet down. You know, a lot of people think it's amateur. But when you're in a situation like this, it's an incline. It's gravel everywhere. I take my time and I make sure that I keep my balance on my bike and I maneuver it because it's an 800-pound bike. And then, you know, once I feel like I'm good, I accelerate it a little bit more. But I'm definitely holding that clutch, making sure I'm not going to do anything crazy. Ooh, time to get the eyebrows done. Let's go. Ooh, you want to say hi? You want to shout your business up? This is... Ooh. So this is what I meant by threading, y'all. You come here and they use the string and they clean up your eyebrows. All right, so I'm done. This is the finished product. Oh my God, I love it. This it look kind of good. I like this. So yeah, this is what we rocking with today. We got some of the J's on. Leather jacket, hopping back on the bike, headed to the mall now. Feeling good. Let's go. That's good, YouTube. Now I made it to my friend. You know, we got the eyebrows done. I'm liking how it looks. Thank you. And we're gonna chill out real quick. We're probably gonna get some food, so stay tuned for that. Okay, YouTube, so before we go to the mall, we have to eat. This is from Oyster Bar in St. Louis. I got some voodoo shrimp. I've never had it, but you say it's really good, right? And lobster, oh boy. So I gotta go. I gotta eat because I'm hungry. Bye. Okay, so we're finally headed to the mall. Just got some good food. Yeah, we might go by the party tonight, so stay tuned. All right, so we are back from the mall, and right now I'm headed home to put on the new luggage rack, and I see some people vibing out. So one thing about riding a motorcycle, I love to bring that positive energy to people on the streets, and it just makes everyone's day. So absolutely love it, love meeting people, and let's see them turn up real quick. Shout out to everyone who's watching this video. Shout out to you if you stayed this long. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share this video. I appreciate you for being here. Make sure you grab your QueenSit gear. The link is in the description. Make sure you add me on Instagram for giveaways that are coming up. Free riding tickets. I'm also giving away a vlogging camera and a GoPro camera. So make sure you join me on Instagram for those new giveaways, and it's gonna be super dope. The summertime is here, so we definitely about to hit some road trips, so make sure you stay tuned because it's going down right here on QueenSit. All right, this should be a pretty simple install. I just got to take these straps off my last luggage rack, and make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm probably gonna do a raffle with this one if I like it. If I like the new one more, I'll do a raffle so somebody can win this for cheap. All right, here's the new one. Boom. So we get ready to throw this on the back. So this should be simple. All we need to do is push this button. Let me see if you can see that. You just push this button in and roll this back. Alright, and this should just pop right out. So it's rolled back. Same thing to this side. Let me see. Sorry guys. Alright. Push this button in. And then you're gonna roll this back. So you get that hook out of there. Oh, actually I wasn't supposed to mess with this one. Sorry guys. So he took it off. So all you need to do is take these two off. And my bike is super dirty, don't judge me. Let me see if you can still see, yep. So we're just gonna put these two in a groove. And then drop this down. But make sure the little hooks are spinning. And it sits right down in it. You come on the side. So you can see. Alright. So you just make sure this is lined up. And it just drops right in. And there we have it. Both of them clicked into place. Let me double check. Yep, good to go. Boom, baby. So we got the new luggage rack on the back. I love it. What y'all think? I love it. I like that. The flip, and you got the other flip. Yes, sir. What y'all think? Before and after. And I didn't get it before and after, so I'm gonna throw this back on here, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. Just put it back like that, one hand. Ooh, I like that one too though. Hold on. Which one y'all like it better? Which one y'all like better? Nah, I think I like the flip better. I think I like the new one better. In the comments below, let me know which one you like better. You like the new one or you like the old one? You like the new flip or you like the old one? All right. So later that night, my mom had a birthday party, so I got ready to head out and party with my family. You're gonna recognize some of the faces here, and we all had a great time. And of course we have my mom and my little sister. We had a great time, and it's always amazing to get footage with them. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tune in to the next vlog because I am going shopping for my mom's birthday gift, and she is absolutely gonna love it. It's QueenSit, and I'm out.
Wakanda